Are you an educator with a hard drive overflowing with incredible teaching materials you've poured your heart into? What if I told you that all that hard work, all those late nights, could become a powerful new source of income? Welcome to Transforming Your Teaching Passion into Income, a complete guide to monetizing your digital educational assets. Today, we're not just talking about a side hustle. We're talking about unlocking the hidden value in the work you already do. We'll explore a clear, step-by-step path to turn your expertise into a thriving online business, giving you the financial freedom and recognition you deserve. Let's start with a simple but powerful realization. As an educator, you have been a creator of premium digital products long before that term ever became a buzzword. Seriously, think about it for a moment. For years, you've been at the forefront of digital creation, driven not by trends, but by the genuine need to engage and educate your students. Every single lesson plan you meticulously typed out and saved, every PowerPoint or Google Slides presentation you crafted with custom animations and engaging visuals. Those detailed worksheets, the comprehensive unit guides, the pop quizzes, and the reusable project templates. And now, in our increasingly digital world, this has expanded to include pre-recorded video lessons, interactive digital notebooks, virtual escape rooms, and even entire virtual classroom setups. Each one is a solution to a problem, a piece of intellectual property born from your unique experience and pedagogical skill. All of these are valuable digital assets. They aren't just files on your computer. They are packages of expertise, time, and creativity that other educators, parents, and learners are actively searching for and willing to pay for. They hold immense real-world value. Here's the thing, you've already done the heavy lifting. Most educators didn't create these with monetization in mind. They were built out of passion, necessity, and a desire to help students learn. But now, with the rise of platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers, Gumroad, Podia, and Thinkific, there's a clear path to turn those years of work into income. So what can you do with all those assets? Here are a few friendly ideas to get started. All right, let's break down how you can turn your expertise into a sustainable income stream. We'll walk through 5 clear, actionable steps. The first, and arguably most important, is to audit your digital library. This is the foundational step where you take stock of the incredible assets you've already created. Don't underestimate what you have. Go through all your digital files, everything on your computer, in your cloud storage, and even on old hard drives. Start categorizing them. Think broadly at first: lesson plans, presentations, videos, and templates. Then, get more granular. You likely have student handouts, assessment rubrics, interactive whiteboard files, and even parent communication letters. Create a simple spreadsheet to track everything. Your columns could be file name, topic, file type, and ready to sell. A quick time-saving tip: don't try to do this all in one day. Dedicate just 20 minutes each day for a week. You'll be amazed at the treasure trove of content you uncover. Step 2 is to package and polish. Individual files are good, but cohesive bundles are where you provide massive value and can command a higher price. Group related materials together logically. For example, a full elementary unit on fractions could include lesson notes, engaging slides, differentiated worksheets, a hands-on activity guide, and a short video walkthrough for parents. For high school, a Macbeth character analysis bundle might contain, quote, analysis worksheets, a slide deck on tragic heroes, and a final essay rubric. For adult learners, a project management basics kit could have introductory guides, spreadsheet templates, and a checklist for running a kickoff meeting. Once you have your bundles, polish them. Use a consistent design. Create a simple, clean cover page using a free tool like Canva. Make sure your instructions are crystal clear and all your links work. This professionalism signals quality and builds trust with your buyers. Now for step 3, choose your platform. Where you sell depends entirely on who you want to reach. Let's create a quick decision tree. If your primary audience is K-12 teachers, the undisputed leader is Teachers Pay Teachers. It has a massive built-in audience actively searching for classroom resources. If you want more control and to keep a higher percentage of your sales, consider direct-to-consumer platforms. Gumroad and Payhip are fantastic for this. They are incredibly easy to set up and are perfect for selling digital downloads like PDFs, templates, and video files directly to your audience. If you have a more comprehensive system or a multi-module topic you want to teach, building a full course is a great option. Platforms like Teachable or Thinkific provide the structure to host videos, quizzes, and downloadable content all in one place, allowing you to create a premium learning experience. For ongoing support and community, look into a membership model. Patreon or Ko-fi allow you to offer exclusive content, like monthly resource drops or Q&A sessions, for a recurring subscription fee. And don't forget about YouTube. You can use a channel to build an audience and then direct them to your products on any of these other platforms, or even monetize the channel itself with ad revenue once you grow. Step 4 is where you truly stand out. Add value with your voice. Anyone can sell a worksheet, but nobody can replicate your unique teaching style and expertise. This is your secret weapon. You can dramatically increase the perceived value of your products by adding a personal touch. Record short videos or simple voiceovers explaining how to best use the materials. For a math worksheet, you could record a 2-minute screencast solving the first problem, explaining your thought process. For a complex lesson plan, a simple audio note sharing your tips for classroom management during the activity can be invaluable. You don't need fancy equipment. The microphone on your phone or a simple USB mic is more than enough to start. This not only makes your product better, but also builds a deeper connection with your customer. Plus, providing video with captions or offering transcripts is a fantastic way to improve accessibility for everyone. Finally, step 5, promote authentically. You've created something amazing. Now you need to let people know it exists. Share your resources where your audience already hangs out. This could be on social media, in niche educator Facebook groups, or on Pinterest. The key is to be helpful, not salesy. Instead of just posting "buy my stuff," share a valuable teaching tip related to your resource. Follow the 80-20 rule. 80% of your content should be purely helpful, and only 20% should be promotional. When sharing in groups, always respect the rules. Offer a freebie or ask for feedback to start a conversation. You can also start a simple blog or YouTube channel to share your expertise, using basic SEO keywords in your titles and descriptions, like middle school ELA activities, so people can find you through search. Your goal is to become a trusted guide, not a pushy salesperson. And that brings us to the end of our guide on transforming your teaching passion into income. We've covered a lot of ground, but the core message is simple. The incredible resources you've spent years creating hold immense value beyond your own classroom walls. It's about recognizing that your expertise, your creativity, and your dedication are assets that can not only empower other educators and students, but also create a new, rewarding stream of income for you. Let's quickly recap the journey. We began with the crucial first step, auditing your digital library. By systematically sorting through your files, you unearthed a treasure trove of lesson plans, presentations, and activities, organizing them into clear, marketable categories. This isn't just spring cleaning, it's inventory management for your intellectual property. Next, we focused on packaging and polishing those assets, transforming them from simple files into professional, high-value products. You learned how to bundle complementary resources, create versatile templates, and apply simple design principles to make your materials shine. From there, we navigated the world of online platforms, helping you choose the perfect home for your products. Whether it's a bustling marketplace like Teachers Pay Teachers or your own direct-to-consumer storefront. We also explored the power of adding your voice, literally, through voiceovers and screen recordings, to build deeper connections and trust with your audience. Finally, we discussed how to promote your work authentically, sharing your passion within educator communities, and using simple SEO to help the right people find your valuable resources. So, what's next? Your call to action is to start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Open that folder of old lesson plans. Pick just one resource to polish. Remember, it's not just about selling, It's about scaling your impact and sharing your passion for education with a wider world that needs your expertise. Think about it. Can you still recover those PowerPoints that took you weeks to create? And can you use the tools we've discussed? Maybe even leveraging AI to transform them into something new and valuable? The potential is right there on your hard drive. Your journey to monetizing your teaching passion starts now.